This is my bike check on the Fly Pantera 2 frame. I'm going to go from top to bottom. I have orange Odi long neck grips with Odi bar ends, and I have Fly Tierra V3 bars with an Odyssey CFL front load stem, Mission headset, Kink Strife forks, and then I have a Fly Ruben 2.25 tire, tan wall tires, and then I have Alienation Blacksheep rim laced to a Mission Echo front hub, and then I have a Fly Pantera 2 frame painted in orange, and I'm going to go to the seat, and I have a Kink pivotal seat with Mission post, integrated seat clamp, Primo bottom bracket, KMC chain, Kink decimal sprocket, Primo Hollowbite cranks, and then I have Fly Ruben purple PCs and 2.255 Fly Ruben tan wall tires with chrome Blacksheep Alienation rims laced to a Mission React hub. Just subscribe, guys. That'll be a lot. All right, thanks. This is my bike check.